Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to install the software and the device driver for SLC PP2 on a Windows 8 computer. This video is also applicable to SLC DIY2 and UAFC. If you're running an operating system different than Windows 8, then I have other videos for Windows XP, Windows Vista, and Windows 7. This video is for Windows 8 only. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is you want to go to my website. Okay, click under support, software and documentation, and download the SLC software. Okay, so let's save it. Okay, so it's on my computer. It by default it downloads to my downloads directory. You see, there's no in Windows 8. Sometimes when you download an executable file, it'll drop the executable extension. So in this case, that's what it did. It dropped the executable extension. So if I double click on the downloaded file, Windows doesn't know what to do with the file because it doesn't have the executable extension. Okay, so if in your download it dropped the executable extension, then what you have to do is I have to right click on rename, and you have to add the exe to it. Okay, so once you add the exe to it, you'll see that the icon actually changes. So Windows now knows this is an executable file. So if you double click on it, it knows what to do with it now. Now, if in your download it included the .exe extension, then you don't have to do anything else. You just have to double click the file. Okay, so let's run it now. Okay, so what we're going to do is that we're going to use the default installation directory and the default start menu options. Let's install. Okay, so the software now is installed. I'm going to connect my SLC PP2 unit to my computer via the USB port. Okay, so it's connected. Normally Windows will tell you that there's a new device, a new piece of hardware connected to the computer, and it'll prompt you to install the driver. In this case, it doesn't prompt me. So what you do is that you right-click the Start menu, go into Device Manager. Okay, under Other Devices, you'll see that indeed Windows has detected SLC PP2, but there's like a yellow exclamation mark next to it, meaning that it doesn't have the driver for it. It doesn't know where the driver is. So if you right-click on that, you go Update Driver Software. Okay, browse my computer, and if you've installed the software in the default directory, the driver is located in C drive, 14.7, SLC config, driver, SLC PP2. Click OK. Click Next. And then install this driver anyways. Okay, so the driver has installed. And you'll see in your device manager that SLC PP2 comes up as a COM3 device. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cycle power to my SLC PP2 unit, because sometimes after a device driver installation, the unit bugs out, so it has to be reset. I'll do that now. Okay, so now let's run the software that we just installed. It's under 14.7 SLC config. Okay, so in SLC config, make sure the COM port is the same as the COM port shown in your device manager. Okay, in my case, it's 3. So if I hit query device, it should be able to, it communicates. So that's it. Everything's, the device driver is installed, the software is installed, communication works, and that's it. Thank you very much.